Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to link your Discord account to Spotify so you can display what you're listening to and share music with your friends. Step 1. Make sure you have active Discord and Spotify accounts. You should also be logged in to both accounts on your device before starting. Step 2. Open Discord. On desktop, click the gear icon in the bottom left to open User Settings. On mobile, tap your profile icon and go to User Settings. Step 3. Inside User Settings, find and select the Connections option. This section allows you to link external services to your Discord account. Step 4. Look for the Spotify icon and click or tap it. A new window will open asking you to log in to your Spotify account. Step 5. Enter your Spotify email and password or log in using your preferred sign-in method. Then approve the permissions to allow Discord to connect with Spotify. Step 6. After a successful login, you'll be redirected back to Discord. You should now see Spotify listed under your connected accounts. Step 7. You can choose to display Spotify on your Discord profile and enable the option to show Spotify as your status while listening. Step 8. If you have Spotify Premium, you can also use features like listening together with friends directly through Discord. That's all. Your Discord and Spotify accounts are now successfully linked, and your music activity can be shared in real time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial.